energy to effort. I am Mark David Gonza of 11th Step, and I am here to present a video about what to do during an earthquake and after an earthquake. I have also added other important information such as knowledge of what to do or what to prepare before the earthquake. My video also contains knowledge on what exactly is the importance of making preparations before an earthquake, during an earthquake, and after an earthquake. What can it really do for us? So let's get started. Let's find out first what is an earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden, rapid shaking of the earth caused by the shifting of rock beneath the earth's surface. Earthquakes strike without warning at any time of year, day, or night. When it comes to unexpected situations, we need to be always ready at any time, especially if there are indications that an earthquake or any disaster will occur. And we should always be aware of matters about such things to increase our chances of survival. So here is some of the important information on what to do before an earthquake, during an earthquake, and after an earthquake. But before that, what is the importance of being aware of what to do before an earthquake, during an earthquake, and after an earthquake? Being prepared can reduce fear, anxiety, and losses that accompany disasters. Communities, families, and individuals should know what to do in the event of a fire, where to seek shelter during a tornado. They should be ready to evacuate their homes and take refuge in public shelters, and know how to care for their basic medical needs. People also can reduce the impact of disasters by doing flood-proofing, elevating a home or moving a home out of harm's way, and securing items that could shake loose in an earthquake. And sometimes avoid the danger completely. Surviving an earthquake depends on what you do before, during, and after the quake hits. Let's start discussing what to do before an earthquake. The key to being safe during an earthquake is preparation. Top earthquake survival tips at home include: know the hazards. Familiarize yourself with earthquake hazards in your area. Know the evacuation area. Check the nearest route going to identify the evacuation area. Prepare an emergency supply kit. Make it accessible at all times. Learn to use the first aid kit, fire extinguishers, alarms, switching off water lines, gas tanks, and circuit breaker. Participate during drills. Regularly practice the evacuation procedure. Prepare your home before an earthquake. Decrease your risk of damage and injury from an earthquake by identifying possible home hazards. Next is what to do during an earthquake. When a major earthquake strikes near you, you may get a warning of 10 or 15 seconds, which isn't very much time. Be prepared with emergency plans and supplies. Do the duck cover and hold. Drop down to the ground and seek cover under a sturdy table or desk. Keep away from glass furnitures or windows that may break. The things you do before the earthquake may have the largest impact on your actual survival. It's not enough to be prepared physically when the ground shakes. It's also important to be financially prepared. Imagine you and your family have survived a major earthquake. Remember, many injuries occur after an earthquake. Aftershocks following large quakes can cause damage in their own right. Follow this list of earthquake survival tips at home. Evacuate as soon as shaking stops. Take the fastest and safest way out. Expect aftershocks. Be updated. Monitor the situation from the region. And that's all for my video. Always remember the saying, ligtas ang may alam. Keep safe always and thank you for watching.